In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link to a specific slide in Google Slides. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, sharing a presentation for review, or just want to highlight a particular section, this skill is incredibly handy and can make your presentations seamless and professional. Now, let's dive right into it. First, you want to open your Google Slides presentation that you would like to share. Make sure you're signed into your Google account, as this will give you access to your documents on Google Drive. For those new to Google Slides, it's a powerful tool for creating slide presentations online, similar to Microsoft PowerPoint, but with the advantage of being easily shared and collaborated on in real time. Once you have your presentation open, navigate to the slide you want to link to specifically. This is an important step because the process revolves around targeting a particular point in your presentation. Make sure the slide you want is in full view on your screen. Now, take a look at the address bar of your web browser at the top. You should see the URL of your Google Slides presentation. This URL is what we are going to modify slightly to create a link to your specific slide. In this URL, you'll need to look for the section of the link that reads something like edit/slide.id.p or similar at the end of the URL. This part tells Google Slides which specific slide to focus on. You'll want to replace edit/slide.id.p with present/slide.id.yourSlideID. The Your Slide ID part is a unique identifier for each slide, and while more technical users might explore this further, you generally won't need to modify it manually, as replacing P with the complete identifier usually suffices. Once you've made that edit to the URL, copy it and test it by pasting it into a new browser tab. If it directs you straight to the required slide in presentation mode, you've done it correctly. This makes sharing so much easier because you can ensure your audience gets to exactly where you want them, cutting down on time and increasing efficiency during meetings or presentations. You can now share this URL with team members, clients, or anyone who needs to view that specific slide. They'll appreciate the precision and time-saving element this brings to the table. Before wrapping up, here's a quick tip. Be mindful of the sharing permissions on your Google Slides. Ensure that the people you want to access the slide have permission to view it, whether by adjusting the settings to anyone with the link can view or sharing it with specific people. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to enhance your productivity within Google Slides. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tips.